Well, I've been playing banjo for about maybe 3 years. I picked it up after I saw this band at one of our local festivals playing. The only one who taught lessons was the banjo player.
Yeah.
And we happened to have a banjo in the house, just I hadn't played it at the time. So I just decided to try it out, and it pretty much instantly became my favorite instrument.
Oh, that's awesome.
Currently play with 2 bands. One of them is my family band.
Yeah.
And then I have 2 really big gigs coming up with my other band called Full Steam. We're playing at Merlefest
Oh, cool.
and Wind Gap Bluegrass Festival.
Yeah.
Tom Minty was the producer. He runs Patuxent Music
Okay.
in Chambersburg. I had some really good musicians from Pennsylvania. Michael Johnson was the bass player, Sam Zola on guitar, Quentin Fisher mandolin, Emily Rader on fiddle, and then it was also featuring Steve Leonard, who is from Pennsylvania as well, at least at that time, and Michael Cleveland is featured on 2 of the
Really?
2 of the records, yeah. Hey, I'm Izaak Schwartz, and this is the title track off my new album, Black Oak Ridge.